In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change database layouts in Notion. If you're opening Notion for the first time or polishing your workflow, this is one of the quickest ways to make your information clearer and easier to work with. Think of layouts as different lenses for the same data. You're not changing your content. You're simply changing how it's presented, so it's easier to read, plan, or prioritize. Here's how to do it. Open the database you want to adjust. Look to the top right corner of that database and click the three dots icon. In the menu that appears, choose Layout. You'll see 6 options: Table, Board, Timeline, Calendar, List, and Gallery. Pick the one that best matches how you want to see your information. That's it. One simple place to switch the view, and your data remains intact the entire time. Let's quickly talk through each option so you know what to choose. Table is your classic spreadsheet style view, perfect for comparing properties across many items side by side. If you like sorting and scanning details in rows and columns, this is your go-to. Board lays your items out as cards in columns, great for stages, categories, or statuses. It's ideal for Kanban-style workflows where you want to visually move items from one phase to another. Timeline stretches your items across a horizontal timeline, which is fantastic for scheduling, planning sprints, or mapping dependencies over days and weeks. Calendar places items on specific dates, making deadlines and events instantly visible and helping you spot conflicts at a glance. List gives you a clean, minimal vertical stack of items, simple, fast, and focused, especially when you don't need lots of columns in view. Gallery shows big, card-style tiles that highlight images or key fields, which is perfect for portfolios, mood boards, and visual catalogs. As you explore, remember that switching the layout doesn't delete or modify your data. It only changes how you see it. If one layout doesn't feel right, click the 3 dots again, go back to Layout, and try a different one. It can help to think about your goal. Do you need a high-level visual snapshot, a date-driven plan, a phase-by-phase pipeline, or a detailed sortable grid? A quick tip: if your database isn't responding the way you expect, double-check that you're interacting with the database itself and not a simple list or text block. And if your items look empty in a visual view like Gallery, it usually means the image or key property you care about isn't front and center. Switching layouts can reveal what's most important. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments. Whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.